Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Goggle from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top and let's draw the glasses. Let's draw a circle. And then another one on the right, slightly lower. Now inside each one, let's draw another circle towards the inside. And then color both of these in black. Next, let's hop in between the glasses and let's draw two lines. And color this in black as well. And then on the left side, let's draw a curve out. And then thicken this line up. And that's it for the glasses. Now let's move in between and draw the beak. Let's start with a line across. And then a V-shaped point down. And then underneath, let's draw another point. And that's it for the beak. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. Underneath the right eye, let's draw an angle down. Then let's hop on top and let's draw a curve in between the glasses. Then continue it with a curve down on the left side. Next, let's hop on top and add the ears. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a curve up. And then bring it down with an S-shaped curve. And then inside, let's draw a point up from the bottom. Now let's hop over to the right and draw the ear in the same way. And that's it for the ears. Next, let's move down and let's draw the bow tie. Let's start with a small rectangle. Then from the top corners, let's curve it out, around, and back in. Now underneath on the right, let's draw the first hand. We'll start with a V-shaped point up for the first finger. Then along the outside, let's add a diagonal line and a curve underneath. Now underneath for the next finger, let's draw a curve out and bring it back in. And then another teardrop shape underneath in the same way. And then a C-shaped curve underneath. And that's it for the first hand. Now let's draw the other one underneath. Next to the C-shaped curve, let's draw another one underneath like this. Then from the top, let's curve it down. And then from the right side, let's draw an angle down. And then curve it over. Now let's add two more fingers. On the right, let's draw another curve up and back down. And then another one underneath. And that's it for the second hand. Now let's add the arm. Let's start at the top next to the glasses and let's draw a curve down. Then another wavy line down like this. And then curve it over to the hand. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve down. And then curve it back over to the hand for the bottom side of the arm. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and finish drawing the bottom of the body. Let's start underneath the hands and let's draw an angled line. And then curve it over to the left, stopping here. Now underneath, let's add the feet. Let's draw two V-shaped points down underneath the body. And then 3 lines out at the bottom. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's add the wings. Let's start underneath the body on the right and let's draw a line down and then curve it up at the end. And then for the end, let's curve it back in. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a curve down and bring it out. Now at the bottom, let's draw the talons. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve down and back up, and then close off the end for the nail. And then let's draw a curve over from the top and the bottom. Now for the next one, let's draw a curve out to the right, another curved nail, and then a wavy line on top. Now let's draw another one in the same way. We'll start with the curve out, then add the nail, and a wavy line on top. Now to finish off this wing, let's continue it by curving it out on top, and then an S-shaped curve back in. And that's it for the right wing. Now let's move over and draw the left side. Let's start next to the body on the left and let's draw a wavy line down. And now at the ends, let's add the talons. Let's draw a wavy line down and out. Add a curved nail at the end. And then another wavy line underneath. Now from the bottom, let's bring it over to the left. Add another nail going downwards. And then a curve down and over on the left. Now for the next one, let's draw a wavy line out from the bottom. Add a nail going outwards. And then an angle from the top. Now let's move back up to the top of the head and let's finish drawing the shape of the wing. Let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Then another curved V shape going downwards, a longer angled one more again going out, and then a larger one underneath. Now from the bottom, let's draw a wavy line going down on an angle. And then bring it back into the talons. And that's it for the wings. Lastly, let's draw the tail. Let's start in between the wings under the feet and let's draw a wavy line down from the left and the same from the right. Then from both ends, let's curve it up and then down, meeting at a point in the middle. And that's it for Goggle Boo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!